Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Money questions get easy fast when you spot what each job means. So watch this quick breakdown and lock in the right choice. Medium of exchange means money's actually used to buy a good or service, not saved, compared, borrowed, or simply received. So focus on the option where payment happens. That points straight to Greta because she uses a $5 bill to purchase an ice cream cone, and that is money directly helping a trade happen. By contrast, depositing money is saving, comparing prices is measuring value, and receiving cash is not buying, so the correct answer is option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush on familiar money words. Trust the given action and check whether money actually buys something.